English rules. The words flew blank the tree. Above, on and over. Which one the correct option? Let's understand. Look at the picture. The words fly over the trees. They are simply higher with movement and they are not touching the surface. Above. Above means simply higher with no movement. On means touching the surface, which is not correct. And over means moving from one side to the other above something. Words fly over the trees. That means over is a correct option and other twos are incorrect. The words flew over the tree. Number 2. He found the keys. What the sofa cushion? The options are between, under and below. Between is used for two separate things, but here a single cushion. So this is incorrect. Under is used for directly below something and usually close or touching. And below means lower but not directly under. But the keys are touching the sofa cushion. So the correct option is under. He found the keys under the sofa cushion. Number 3. They walked. What the bridge and what the river? What will the correct option? Across over, in at, on to and in. Across over is correct and others are incorrect. How? Let's understand. They are moving from one side of the bridge to the other, and across is used for moving something from one side to the other side. And the bridge is above the river, so they walk over it. So they walked across the bridge over the river. So remember the rules. Prepositions. The vase fell what the table and broke what many pieces. Look at the picture. This is the table where from the base fell down. So the what will the correct option? Over under, from into, off into. The correct option is off into, from into and over under is incorrect. Because when something fell down from the surface of anything, use off. The vase fell off the table and broke into many pieces. Into is used when something changes form or break into parts. And next one is the cat jumped what the table, what the chair. The options under over, on, over onto. The correct answer is over onto. The cat jumped over the table onto the chair. Jumped over the table, the cat went above the table without touching it. And jumped onto the chair, the cat landed on the chair. Okay, clear? Last one is we went swimming what? Hot summer. In, on and during. During is a correct option. We went swimming during hot summer. During is used for period of time like seasons, events, months. In can be used for general seasons, but during is more specific for an action happening in that time. We went swimming during hot summer. Remember the rules and follow for more updates.